guys, welcome back to Unocoin's YouTube channel. So once you get into the game of trading, you know it doesn't get any easier with time. Rather, the only way to make it easy and more profitable is to use some little tricks and strategies. So let's quickly learn about one of these amazing strategies, Fibonacci Retracement. So let's first understand what is a Fibonacci series. Basically, each number in the Fibonacci sequence is the sum of two numbers preceding that. Usually it starts at 0. The numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and so forth make up the Fibonacci sequence. Now what are Fibonacci retracement levels? These are hidden levels on the horizontal lines of support and resistance known as Fibonacci retracement. They indicate probable price reversal for the particular crypto asset. So these are the four main retracement levels where a reversal may begin. 23.6%, 38.2%, 61.8% and 78.6%. Using Fibonacci retracement tool is fairly easy, and here's how you can start off with your new trading strategy. Step 1. Find a complete trend as the first step. The instrument can be used to analyze upward and downward trends. Step 2. Draw the Fibonacci retracement line in the opposite direction of the finished trend. Drawing the Fibonacci retracement from left to right upwards for a finishing rally entails doing so. Draw the pattern from left to right, stopping at the end of the decline for a finished downtrend. Step 3. Watch for a price reversal to occur close to the four important levels. Now to predict a price reversal, pay attention to these crucial levels. Step 4. Place your trade by going against the first trend. Retracement of an upward trend indicates a downward price correction. Then choose one of the four significant Fibonacci retracement levels as the entry points for a bullish trade. At the retracement level, as a novice trader, you might just enter a position without thinking. But before entering long, expert traders will watch for the price to react and break higher. So go ahead and employ your new trading strategy. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel. Also, for more information on this, do check out our blog from the link in the description below. See you in the next video.